Oh, Santa's to it.
No. 2009 what?
I was in.
You were here?
Yeah.
You went in the house too?
Yeah.
No, es cierto.
Yeah.
Had you been here at her house already?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was it, like a birthday party? Did they have a jumpy in the back?
Yeah.
No, es cierto.
Just kidding.
They didn't have a jumpy, remember? That you came and there was no jumpy?
Where did they have back there?
You're thinking of my house when they had a jumpy at my house. Remember? Hmm?
They have a dog?
No, they don't have a dog. They don't like dogs.
You like dogs?
No. What's your dog's name?
Brandon.
A who?
I can take this to. What time you can take me to cut again?
To where?
To Mexico.
Stop. To where? To where? Oh, to meet your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, at 4:20. Okay?